In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Threads by Instagram. So if you haven't heard about Threads, just a few days back, Instagram launched a new app called Threads, which is a direct competition to Twitter. So it's linked to your Instagram account. So if you're on Instagram, I'm sure you would have already seen a lot of stories and notifications telling you to go to Threads. And its working is really similar to that of Twitter. So Threads is mainly for conversations, and you have the same three options to like, comment, and to retweet. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into it. So now I'll show you how to install Threads and set it up. So first, you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store. So Threads is available for Android and iOS. Now I've come to the Play Store and I'll just search for Threads. And it's this app over here. So once you've reached this page, just click on install. Once the app is installed, just open it. So Threads is linked with your Instagram account. And if you want to log in to Threads, you must log in with your Instagram account. So if you don't have an Instagram account yet, you'll first have to create one, and only then will you be allowed to log in to Threads. So now I'll just sign in with my second Instagram account. I'll just have to type in my username and password and click on login. And now we need to set up our profile. So the profile is same as that on Instagram. You'll first have your username, then your bio, and after that you can add a link if you want. So if you want to make this process a lot faster, then you can just import this from Instagram. So each of these three things will get imported from Instagram. So to do this, I'll just click on Import from Instagram. And as you can see, the logo, bio, and link, all three have come here. And you also have the option to edit one of them. So let's say I want to edit the bio. Then I can click on it. After that, make any changes that I want to, and save it by clicking on the tick which is on the top right. And this change in my bio will only remain in Threads and it won't continue to Instagram as well. So once you've set these three things, then just click on continue. Then you can decide if you want a public or private profile. And the working is same as Instagram. If you have a private profile, then people can't read your threads. And you must accept their follow request for them to follow you. So I'll keep it public and just click on continue. So over here, they've given a list of all of the accounts which I follow on my Instagram page. And if you want to follow all of them, just click on follow all, that's at the bottom. Or else if you only want to follow some, you can click on the follow button that's next to the account's name. And now I'll just go to the next page. Then here, they have some terms and conditions. And then when you click on join threads, your account will be created. And now as you can see, we've logged into Threads. So the look of Thread is extremely similar to that of Twitter. As you can see, here's the home page where you'll see all of the threads of people who you follow. And after that, they'll show some suggested threads. And you can just scroll down or refresh the page. After that, the next page at the bottom left is to search for accounts. So here, they've suggested some accounts to follow, or else I can just search for them on top and then just click on follow to follow them. After that, to create a thread, you have to click on this button that's in the center, and over here, you can create your thread. So you can type anything that you want over here. And then if you want to attach some media, like a photo or a video, then just click on the attach button that's over here. And here you'll see your gallery and you can attach the picture. And similar to Twitter, each thread has a 500 character limit. So if you want to add a thread below it, you can just click on add to thread that's over here and then continue below it. Then you have one more setting where you can decide who can reply to your thread. So if you click on this button at the bottom left, then they have three options. If anyone can reply, only profiles you follow, or only accounts that are mentioned. So you can select whichever option you want. And then to post it, just click on post that's at the bottom right. So now I've come to my profile page, which is the rightmost option at the bottom. And as you can see, the thread has come here. And this page is similar to Instagram. From here, you can edit your profile if you want. And if you want to see more settings, just click on this button on the top right. And here, you'll find more settings. After this, there's only one more page, which is the activity page. And just like Instagram, here you can see all of your follow requests, then all the likes on your threads. So this is basically how Threads works. And let me know down in the comments whether you like this or Twitter more. So that's it for today. Goodbye.